In this lecture, we will be talking about the derivation of the formula of acceleration with respect to uniform circular motion, where A represents the acceleration, this W represents the omega, where the X represents us the distance. However, to study the acceleration, first we have to consider a uniform circular motion. Just suppose that in this uniform circular motion there is a light store here, where the light is being implemented on the uniform circular motion, and this base is creating the shadow. Now you have to consider this shadow moving in linear direction doing SHM as the acceleration. The movement, the acceleration is basically the acceleration. However, we have to consider this acceleration as acceleration x, because we know that there are two axes. First one is known as y-axis and second one is known as the x-axis. The motion that we are currently having look and will work on is the acceleration in the x-axis. However, to study the acceleration in the x-axis, we have to consider an equation that is ax cos theta. Because we all know that there are two axes, and in the x-axis the theta is basically cos, while in the y-axis the theta is equal to the sine. Here the ax is equal to ac cos theta, acceleration into cos theta, where cos theta is equal to x upon r, where x represents the distance while r represents the radius. Again, consider the same motion, but a small component of the motion, as highlighted with the gray color. However, the motion of this body is basically from the point A to point B. This is the point A, while this one is the point B. The distance of the mean position or the central point to the body A is r, while the distance covered from body A to body B is called x. Here you have to consider the formula of base upon hypotenuse. Now again, the formula becomes ax is equal to a acceleration into x upon r in the place of the cos theta. While in the acceleration, we know that acceleration is equal to v square upon r square. However, we know that v upon r is equal to omega. So here the formula derived is v omega square into x. So this is the formula and its derivation. I hope that you get it, and thank you so much for watching.